The basis of the application rests on the possibility of biasness or impartiality.
Ubufakazi ophambi kwekhomishana buthi uMokgotsi uyena owacela ukunika uCharles Carlson ulwazi ngoKarim futhi akukho lapho kuvela khona kumyalezo kaWhatsApp uCharles Carlson emthembisa ukumvikela.
You and I agreeing that Mr. Mokgotsi is the one that made the approach and offered to provide information about Mr. Karim. How can then it be a legitimate complaint?
Ohola ubufakazi uAdvocate Hasim usola uMokgotsi ngokuhlanekezela ubufakazi abethule phambi kwekhomishana esicoleni sakhe ngokususa eminye imiyalezo yengxoxo kaWhatsApp namarekhodi ezingcingo phakathi kwakhe noCharles Carlson.
His conduct should be investigated as a possible offence under the Section 5 of the Commissions Act. He deliberately gave false evidence to secure the postponement of Mr. Karim's evidence.
Ngaphambi kokubaqala ukwethula ubufakazi uMokgotsi utshela ikhomishana ukuthi akaneme ngendlela isigcawu esiqhubeka ngayo nangendlela aphethwe ngayo kuso.
I came voluntarily, and as it was also put in my affidavit, the information that I said will need to be corroborated and be converted into evidence that is required or needed here. I've given that all. I was declared a liar. I kept on saying I had to do the affidavit so that we could process the 252A. I was declared a liar again.
Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.